Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of networking, specifically focusing on how to configure Hsrp, which stands for Hot Standby Router Protocol, on a Cisco switch. To make things easier to understand, we'll use analogies along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Hsrp configuration and how it ensures network redundancy and reliability. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the configuration steps, let's quickly understand what Hsrp is. Hsrp is a Cisco proprietary protocol used to provide high network availability by ensuring that user traffic immediately and transparently recovers from first hop router failures. Imagine you have two security guards at the entrance of a building. Only one guard is active at a time, while the other is on standby. If the active guard becomes unavailable, the standby guard immediately takes over without any disruption. Similarly, Hsrp ensures that if the primary router fails, a backup router takes over seamlessly. Think of router A and router B as two receptionists in an office. They both need to be assigned their desks, which are their IP addresses, and be ready to work, which is the no shutdown command. Imagine you assign both receptionists a shared phone number, which is the virtual IP address. The receptionist with the higher priority, router A, will be the one answering calls first, while the other receptionist, router B, will only take over if the first one is unavailable. This is like checking in with each receptionist to make sure they understand their roles and are ready to take calls as needed. If the receptionist with the higher priority, router A, takes a break and then returns, we want to ensure they resume their duties. The preempt setting ensures that the higher priority receptionist always gets back to their role once available. Step 5. Configuring timers. We can also configure the hello and hold timers to control how often Hsrp messages are sent and how quickly failover occurs. This is like setting the frequency at which the receptionists check in with each other to ensure they're both present and ready. If one doesn't respond in time, the other takes over. Imagine the receptionists have additional responsibilities. If one receptionist can't perform their additional duties, their priority decreases, making it more likely for the other receptionist to take over. Step 7. Load balancing with Hsrp. In some scenarios, we might want to use both routers actively for load balancing. This can be achieved by configuring different Hsrp groups on different VLANs. This is like having two receptionists each handling different sets of tasks. By distributing the workload, both receptionists remain actively engaged and the overall efficiency is improved. Conclusion. In this video, we've walked through the steps to configure Hsrp on a Cisco switch, using analogies to make each step easier to understand. Hsrp is a powerful protocol that enhances network reliability and availability by providing seamless failover capabilities. By following these steps, you can ensure that your network remains resilient and capable of handling failures without disrupting user traffic. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.